Goodbye World, and hello Heather. Today we're going to be walking you through the first steps in building your own personal website. Now, for this project, you're going to need only Sublime Text and your favorite web browser. If you don't have Sublime Text, you can go over to sublimetext.com/3 to download the latest version, which is currently 3. To get started, we're just going to create a new folder on our desktop. You can put it in whatever directory you want, but I'm putting it here so you can see it. We're going to call this Dylan's website, and I hope yours is a little bit more aptly named. To open it in Sublime, we're going to open Sublime and go to File, and yours is going to be in a different location. Open and navigate to the desktop where we've stored our project. It's okay that this project doesn't have anything in it right now because we're going to add all of our files while in Sublime. So let's go ahead and open that. I'm going to put this on the left hand side of my screen. And to add a new file from Sublime, just right click on the project and go New Folder. New File. The first file we're going to want to add, as I'm sure you can guess, is our index.html. So I'm going to type a little bit of HTML in here. Tits are the best, and I actually believe this is true. And I'm going to go Control S to save. Rename this to index.html. And there we go. We have our very first website that we've made in Sublime. To run the website and see what we've done, we need to open our folder from the desktop. And you should just be able to double click on the index.html in there and have it open in the web browser. And there we go. Tits are the best. But we want a little bit of CSS in here, I'm sure, if you're ever going to get hired. So we'll throw in a link tag that I'm sure you've seen before. Mine auto completes the line, but if it doesn't, you can just copy what I have here. Now the important part of this is this section here called href, and that's going to be the path to the file you want to include. For now, we're just going to call it style.css and save. Once again, we're going to go over to our folder, click New File, and there we go. We've got our CSS file. Let's add a bit of CSS. This tag, by the way, if you don't know, it is the wildcard tag. It just selects everything. And let's go color red to give our tits a bit of flash. Save this as we've indicated in our index.html as style.css. Save it and rerun. There we go. Tits are red and the best. Now what about a little JavaScript? This whole thing is about coding, so we're going to need a JavaScript file. Let's put a prompt in here to prove that it's going to work. What is the best? Save this as script.js and add in our script tag. Script tag works just like the link tag, but it's for scripts, and instead of href you use source. And we're going to type in just the same script.js. Now if we rerun this, there we go. All of our files are working together. I hope in your implementation you have a little bit better naming for your style and your script and your associated HTML files if you have them. Let me know when you've got this task done or if you need any help, and we'll put it up on your server.